Okay, I'm back, and so now we want to talk about how is the different kinds of mass wasting events classified. And so there are three major things that we're going to use to classify them. So the first one is the mechanism of the movement. Is the material going to be falling straight down? Is the material going to be sliding on a surface? Or is the material going to be flowing down the surface? Okay, the second is going to be what is it that's actually moving? So is it going to be consolidated material? And so by consolidated, we mean that the material is glued together as a unit, as opposed to unconsolidated, where it's pieces, parts that are going to be going down the hill. And so examples of unconsolidated materials would be soil and then talus. So for example, talus is the debris that weathers off of a rock face and then it accumulates at the base. So that's going to be pieces, parts. Okay, then these mass wasting events are also classified according to how fast do they occur. So some of these mass wasting events are very slow. They're so slow that sometimes you don't even notice that they're happening. But if you were to come back a year or two later, you would notice that the ground had moved. Okay, a moderate rate of movement, though, means that it's something that's going to be happening. You can see it happen, but you could generally outrun it. You could walk faster than it's happening, or you could run faster than it's happening. And then a fast event, well, you can't outrun these things. All right, so let's give a type of based on things that are falling. So you may have heard of rock falls and debris falls. So this would be the case of consolidated material, that would be a rock fall, or if it's unconsolidated material, it would be a debris fall. So that in a case like this, part of the cliff lets loose and it just falls straight down. So that would be considered to be a fall. All right, let's take a break, and when we come back, we will talk about things that are sliding.